Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you an old trick in the book that comes from your grandma's cleaning hack arsenal. I love this cleaning and life hack, particularly on things that you eat with, pots and pans, and in your bathtub right here that you bathe with. If you're looking for something all natural without harsh chemical cleaners when it comes to anything cleaning, I have the best trick in the book for you. Well, at least your grandma does. So what you want to do is take a potato. I love potatoes. They are relatively inexpensive and usually you can buy them in bulk bags, so you have plenty to use around your home. You're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna take your potato and you're gonna grab yourself some salt like I have here. Cut your potato in half. You want this part exposed here because there's starch inside of the potato and it's slightly acidic, which is gonna help you if you have those pink mildew stains, particularly in your shower or in your bathtub. This trick is super easy, so if you have some potatoes that are going to be going bad anytime soon, this is when I like to do it. If it starts to get some buds around there and you think, oh, I don't wanna be eating these, but I don't wanna waste them, grab your potato, dip it in your salt, and then you're gonna use your potato because of the acidity on the outside of it. It's a little bit juicy. You can see when you open up the potato right here. You're gonna take your salt and you are gonna scrub away, gently scrub away the pink mildew that accumulates around your shower and your bathtub. And then what you can do, you can see it's collecting it right there. Dip it in your salt a little bit more as needed. You certainly can use sugar, but I prefer salt. Here, sugar can get a little bit sticky, especially with the cleanup, but it works as well, like a nice sugar scrub that you often find in the bathtub. You can see here it is coming up. It looks worse sometimes before it gets better, particularly when you're doing this in your bathtub. The next thing that I'm gonna do is just take a cup of warm water right here. Turn that off. Sitting here on the edge of my bathtub. And there we go, that is some really stuck on pink stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my potato again, dip it in a little bit more salt right here. And you can see, look at that, coming off right here. Get a little moisture on there. Let me get you in real close. Here is where we cleaned with our potato and salt. And here is where I have not rinsed. I just did a little scrubbing around there with the potato and the salt. Can you see that, my friend? All natural with something you have laying around your house already. Give this video a thumbs up. YouTube thinks you're gonna wanna watch this video next. However, I think you're gonna wanna watch this video next. Lots of freebies in that description box below, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.